A very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing good. Okay, so we have started our chapter electricity, right? In which we are done with the two topics, that is the electrical symbols, and the next thing is closed and open circuits, right? In the electrical symbols, we learn about the electrical components with their symbols. For example, the component cell have electrical symbol what? The two lines, a big and a small line, which represent their two terminals, right? And in the closed and the open circuit, we learn about what? About which from which the circuit the current is flowing, or from which the current is not flowing, right? So we are done with these two topics in our class. Now we have to start a new topic. For that, without electricity we can say electricity don't have any meaning without that term. So tell me about that term. That term is what? Current. Okay, so current is what? We already discussed that current is due to the flow of electrons. We discussed about it now. So if we want to write the definition about this, about the current, then how can we write? We can write it as the electric current is the stream is what? As we here learn that this is due to the flow of electrons. That means we can write it as a stream, because stream and flow, they have both same meaning. Stream means flowing of something, when something is changing its place from one place to another, right? So electric current is what? This is the stream of charged particles. Now we discussed here that current is due to the electrons, and the electron is what? This is charged particle. Electron have negative charge now. So when the current is flowing with the help of charged particle, which kind of charged particles? Electrons. And where it is moved? This is moved in the electric circuit, right? The circuit is look like this. In the circuit we use wire, battery, lamp and the switch here. So we come to know about the definition current. The next thing that you have to know about the term current is what? Unit of current. What it is? The unit of current. As we measure our mass, our weight by in the kg, we measure our length in the centimeter, in the meters, in the inches. They all are the units, right? In the same way, what is the unit of current? This is ampere. This is known as ampere, and its symbol is what? Capital A, right? And the next thing, how can we measure current? There is an instrument, there are some meters in our homes also by which we can measure current. This is known as ammeter. What it is known as? Ammeter. And about the ammeter, that how we can place this ammeter in the circuit, we can place this in the series. Now what do you mean by series? As in the assembly, you always stand up in the form of series in a particular line, in a straight line we can say. In the same way, we can insert the ammeter in the circuit in the series manner, not in the parallel. For example, see, this is our circuit. Okay, so here I place the ammeter in the two ways. See, the first way is series, in the line wise. First what come here? A battery, then a lamp, then an ammeter. So they are in the line. But if we place the ammeter with parallel to the battery, this is known as the parallel form. This is not series form. We place the wire here and we put the ammeter in the parallel manner to the battery. But we don't do like this in case of ammeter. For ammeter, we have to place this ammeter in the series. So remember this thing. Okay, so in this way we are done with the topic electric current, the unit of current, and about the measurement of the current, right? I hope these things are clear to you all. Thank you.